Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to move table freely in Microsoft Word. To move table freely in Word, you can do the following. First, go to the Insert tab, then click Text Box, choose Simple Text Box. Now copy the table, just select the table, Ctrl+C, then paste your table, Ctrl+V, inside the text box. Click on the text box border and drag it anywhere. To adjust text wrapping by selecting the text box, click Wrap Text in the Shape Format tab, select in front of text. Now remove the box border. Right-click on the text box, then select Format Shape. In the Format Shape pane, go to the Line section. Now select No Line. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.